In this video, we'll walk through your quick order screen, button layout, and check details to help you place orders efficiently for your guests. To go to the order screen on the POS, navigate to the main menu and select Quick Order Mode. Let's go over the button layout of these screens. Your menu groups and items appear on the right side of your screen. Menus at the top, groups in the middle, and items at the bottom. The rewards, gift cards, and house accounts buttons will also be in the same section of your menus. If you'd like to search for a menu item or a SKU number, you can do so using the search bar above your menus. If your restaurant has open items enabled, you'll add an open item using this button. Now that we have an item added to the order, let's look at some features on the left side of the order screen that will improve the speed of order entry. Commonly used actions on your menu are front and center and organized so that related actions are grouped together. Everything related to an order is organized by the check. You'll see the Set tab name at the top of this section next to the check number. Below that, you'll see the Dining button, where you'll be able to select the dining option, and Schedule Order button. This is also where the Print button will be. The overflow menu to the right of the check number will be home to many ordering functions. Here, you can split checks, adjust the number of guests, change servers, transfer a check to a table, change customer information, add service charges, add tax-exempt numbers, promo codes, and void orders. When you select an item from an order, your screen will adjust to allow you to change the quantity, remove an item, and repeat an item. You can also view item details, including descriptions and images if they've been added, depending on the settings that you or your manager have configured in Toast Web. Depending on your restaurant settings, this section is also where you're going to adjust dining options, change courses, split items, add any special requests, discount items, and make modifier adjustments. If they're enabled for your restaurant, the Hold, Stay, and Send buttons will be right here, but more on what these buttons do in a little bit. On the bottom of the check, you'll see the Pay button with the order's total displayed, a Discount button, and then the No Sale or Fast Cash button. Let's talk about a commonly used ordering feature you may use at your restaurant, server item firing. For the sake of this demo, let's switch things to dark mode. If you didn't know, you can easily switch between dark and light modes on your POS by navigating to the main menu, device setup, and then selecting which POS display theme you'd like that would fit into your restaurant. Awesome. Now let's dive into how you can control the pace of orders sent to the kitchen. Server item firing allows servers to individually hold and send items on a check, use the hold button on the order screen as a true hold, meaning that once an item is held, it will not fire until it's selected and sent, and add new items to the check and then send those new items to the kitchen without sending held items. There are two options for using server item firing on your POS. Now, in either case, each item will need to be individually selected and then sent. The first option is to hold items first. Begin by adding items to a check and then select the items to put on hold and select the Hold button. All items except for the ones kept on hold will be automatically sent to the kitchen. The second option is to send items first. Begin by adding items to a check and then select one or more items to send by selecting the Stay button. These items which were not sent to the kitchen will be automatically held. For more information on getting started with Toast POS, check us out at Toast Central.